What do you think? Is education this intense in your country too? And would you send your 2-year-old to an English academy? Hi everyone, I'm Tingssam, your Korean teacher. Today we're going to explore something really surprising about Korea. Why do Korean kids start learning English as early as age 2? Some children even go to English-only kindergartens before they can fully speak Korean. This is part of something called 영어 조기 교육, early English education. In this video, we will dive into the reasons behind this cultural trends, share some surprising statistics, and of course, I will teach you Korean words along the way. Let's get started. There's a word for this, gyo-yuk-yeol, which means passion for education. You will often hear 한국 부모님들은 교육열이 높아요. Korean parents are passionate about education. After-school academies called Hagwan are extremely common. In fact, in 2023, around 25% of Korean students attended at least one Hagwan. Some students go to English Hagwan, Math Hagwan, and even piano or coding Hagwan all in one day. Why? Because for many Korean families, education is seen as the key to success, stability, and status. In Korea, English is not just a subject, it's a symbol. It represents intelligence, global competence, and sometimes even wealth. For example, many companies require TOEIC or TOEFL scores, and 수능, Korea's colleague entrance exam, includes a major English section. Even in daily life, you will see signs like premium town or luxury skin. English is everywhere because it sounds smart and modern. There is even a slang word, 영어병, English disease. People who are overly obsessed with using English words. In short, English is a status symbol in Korea. Here's something even more surprising. Many Korean parents send their toddlers to 영어 유치원, which means English kindergartens. Kids as young as 2 learn the alphabet and English sentences before full Korean fluency. Why? Because there's a strategy behind it. Parents believe 영어는 어릴 때 끝내고 초등학교부터는 수학에 집중하자. Let's master English early and focus on math starting in elementary school. So the timeline looks like this. Age 2 to 6 focus on English, and age 7 or more focus on 수학, which means math. This shows how planned and intense the educational path can be. But the pressure isn't just on kids, it's on parents too. Imagine this. Your friend's 4-year-old speaks English fluently. You feel behind. So you say, 우리 애도 영어 해야겠다. My kids should study English too. This creates a chain reaction. In 2022, Korean families spent over 23 trillion won on private education. English was the first subject, number 1 subject. So there's even a term, 엄마표 영어, mom-made English. So moms teaching English at home using YouTube or textbooks. So many moms quit their jobs to become full-time English teachers for their kids. But of course, there's downside. Some kids become fluent in English but lack basic Korean language skills. They say things like 나 그거 like 해. Mixing English and Korean, it's common in young kids. Others experience burnout by the time they're 10. Some parents are now trying to slow down and say 아이마다 속도가 달라요. Every child has their own pace. Still, the system pushes families to start early and move fast because in Korea, competition begins young. So, why do Koreans work this hard? Is it because the world is more competitive? Is it because English opens doors to global opportunities? Or is it simply because parents want their kids to have a better life than they did? What do you think? Is education this intense in your country too? And would you send your 2-year-old to an English academy? Let's talk about it in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories and thoughts about education and culture in your country. By the way, if you want to dive deeper in Korean language and culture, join my YouTube membership. As a member, you can get exclusive video lessons, downloadable PDFs and grammar guides, behind the scene videos, and most importantly, access to a community where we share ideas, talk about Korean culture, and compare life around the world. So we don't just study, we connect. Click the join button below this video and be part of the family. I can't wait to meet you there. 감사합니다. 안녕. See you next time.